Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem a Duolingo promo code. Open the Duolingo app or go to duolingo.com and log into your account. In your browser, go to duolingo.com/redeem. You won't find this in app, it only works on the website. Now type your promo code in the box, then click redeem. Make sure there are no typos. You will instantly get access to Duolingo Plus, extra XP, boosts, or whatever the code offers. That's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.